Welcome back to Outstanding Guru YouTube channel. Today let us go through 100 basic general knowledge questions. What is the name of a planet? Answer is Earth. What do plants give us to breathe? Very good. Answer is oxygen. What do we call the largest ocean on Earth? Very good. It's Pacific Ocean. Which is the hottest planet? Answer is Venus. Which gas do we breathe in? Very good. Answer is oxygen. What covers most of the Earth's surface? Answer is water. Which is the smallest continent? Answer is Australia. What is frozen water called? Very good. Answer is ice. What is the color of the sky on a clear day? Yes, answer is blue. Which is the largest country in the world? Answer is Russia. What do we call people who study stars and planets? Answer is astronomer. What is the shape of the earth? Very good. Answer is round. What do we call the blanket of air around earth? Answer is atmosphere. Which is the fastest land animal? Very good. It's cheetah. Which animal gives us wool? Answer is sheep. What is the main source of light? Very good. Answer is sun. Which bird can swim but cannot fly? Very good. Answer is penguin. Which season comes after summer? Answer is rainy. What is the main source of rain? Answer is clouds. What is the color of leaves? Very good. Answer is green. Which planet is called the red planet? Answer is Mars. Which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Very good. Answer is camel. Which animal guards our house? Yes, answer is dog. What do we get from trees? Answer is fruits. What is the color of the moon? Very good. Answer is white. What is the capital of India? Very good. Answer is Delhi. Who is called the father of the nation? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the national animal of India? Very good. Answer is tiger. What is the national bird of India? Yes, answer is peacock. What is the national flower of India? Very good. Answer is lotus. What is the national fruit of India? Answer is mango. What is the national game of India? Answer is hockey. Who was India's first Prime Minister? Yes, it's Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was India's first president? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is the national currency of India? Very good. It's rupee. What is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. What is the national flag of India called? Answer is Tiranga. What are the three colors of the Indian flag? Answer is saffron, white, green. What is the national emblem of India? Yes, answer is lion capital. What is the national river of India? Very good. Answer is Ganga. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of Karnataka? Very good. Answer is Bengaluru. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Yes, answer is Chennai. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Yes, answer is Mumbai. What is the capital of West Bengal? Very good. Answer is Kolkata. What is the capital of Kerala? Answer is Thiruvananthapuram. What is the national heritage animal of India? Answer is elephant. Which Indian festival is called the Festival of Lights? Very good. It's Diwali. Which Indian festival is called the Festival of Colors? Yes, answer is Holi. What is celebrated on 15th August in India? Answer is Independence Day. What do we use to tell time? Answer is watch. What do we call a baby cat? Answer is kitten. Which animal gives us milk? Very good. Answer is Cow. Which organ helps us to think? Answer is brain. Which part of our body helps us breathe? Very good. Answer is lungs. Which organ helps us to taste? Answer is tongue. What do we use to cut paper? Yes. Answer is scissors. What help us to hear? Very good. It's ears. What keeps our body strong? Answer is healthy food. Which sense organ helps us to see? Answer is eye. What do we call a baby dog? Very good. It's puppy. What gives us energy? Answer is food. What helps plants grow? Answer is sunlight and water. Which planet is closest to the sun? Very good. Answer is Mercury. What part of the plant is under the ground? Answer is root. What is the color of the sun? Yes, answer is yellow. What do we call rain with thunder? Answer is storm. What helps us stay healthy? Very good. Exercise. Which planet is known for its rings? Answer is Saturn. What do we drink to stay healthy? Answer is water. What do we call the doctor who treats animals? Answer is veterinarian. Which of these can fly? Yes, answer is bird. What gives us heat and light? Answer is sun. Which body part helps us to walk? It's easy. Legs. One helps us to grow taller and stronger. Very good. Answer is healthy food and milk. How many days are there in a week? Answer is 7. How many hours are there in a day? Very good. Answer is 24. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes. Answer is 7. How many months are there in a year? Answer is 12. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Very good. Answer is 26. Which day comes after Friday? Answer is Saturday. How many legs does a spider have? Answer is 8. Which shape has 3 sides? Very good. Triangle. How many wheels does a car have? Very good. It's 4. Which festival is celebrated on December 25th? Answer is Christmas. What is the color of milk? Very good. Answer is white. How many days are there in February? Answer is 29. How many toes do humans have in total? Very good. 10. Which is the smallest bird? Very good. Hummingbird. Which is the largest mammal? Answer is blue whale. How many continents are there? Answer is 7. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Very good. Answer is lion. Which festival marks the new year of Christians? Answer is New Year. How many bones are there in the human body? Correct answer is 206. How many sides does a square have? Very good. Answer is 4. What is the name of our galaxy? Very good. Answer is Milky Way. What is the color of a ripe banana? Answer is yellow. What do we use to take photographs? Very good. Answer is camera. What do we call the 7th month of the year? Answer is July. What do bees make? Answer is honey. Yay! You have successfully completed all 100 questions. For more useful and general knowledge videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Outstanding Guru. See you next time.